Want stronger legs and glutes? What if I told you that daily squats can change way more than just your lower body? Yes, squats can transform your energy, balance, and even how you feel each day. This video is all about unlocking those hidden benefits of squats that go beyond sculpted legs and glutes. Benefits you may not expect, but that can make a huge difference in your fitness journey. Stay with us to the end, because we're not only going to show you why squats are a must for every woman, but also reveal a few powerful squat variations that can boost your results in ways you didn't even know were possible. Let's dive deeper into the world of squats and uncover the amazing benefits that go far beyond just building a better backside. Get ready to discover how this one exercise can improve your posture, boost your metabolism, and even elevate your mood. We'll break down the science behind these benefits in a way that's easy to understand and, more importantly, easy to implement into your daily life. At its core, a squat is a simple movement that mimics the natural act of sitting down and standing back up. But when done with intention and proper form, the squat transforms into a powerful exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Imagine yourself standing with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. As you lower your hips towards the ground, you engage your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Your core muscles fire up to stabilize your spine, while your back muscles work to maintain an upright torso. As you push through your heels to return to the starting position, you activate even more muscle fibers, creating a chain reaction of strength and power throughout your entire body. Squats are classified as a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups and joints at the same time. Unlike isolation exercises that target a single muscle group, compound exercises like squats provide a more efficient and effective workout. This full-body engagement not only builds overall strength and muscle mass, but also improves coordination, balance, and functional fitness. And the benefits of squats go far beyond just physical strength. By challenging your body in this way, you also boost your metabolism, improve your cardiovascular health, and even enhance your mental resilience. So whether you're looking to sculpt your physique, improve your overall health, or simply feel more confident in your body, the squat is an exercise that deserves a prime spot in your fitness routine. The foundation of a strong body. While squats are renowned for sculpting strong legs and glutes, their impact on your core is equally impressive. When you squat, your core muscles, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles, engage intensely to maintain balance and control throughout the movement. This consistent activation strengthens these crucial muscles, leading to a more stable midsection and improved overall posture. A strong core not only improves your physical performance, but also reduces the risk of lower back pain, a common ailment that affects many women. By incorporating squats into your routine, you're essentially giving your core a powerful workout, building a solid foundation for a healthier, more resilient body. So as you squat your way to stronger legs and glutes, remember that you're also building a rock-solid core that will benefit you in countless ways, both inside and outside the gym. Squats for a leaner you. Want to boost your metabolism and torch calories more effectively? Look no further than the mighty squat. This increased muscle activation translates to a higher metabolic rate both during and after your workout. Furthermore, building muscle mass through squats helps increase your resting metabolic rate, as muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. So, the more muscle you build, the more efficiently your body burns calories throughout the day, even when you're not actively exercising. By incorporating squats into your fitness routine, you're not only sculpting a toned physique, but also igniting your metabolism, helping you achieve your weight management goals more effectively. How squats enhance mobility and flexibility. While squats are known for building strength, they also play a crucial role in improving mobility and flexibility, especially in the hips, ankles, and lower back. As we age, our bodies tend to lose flexibility, leading to stiffness, reduced range of motion, and an increased risk of injuries. Squats, when performed correctly with proper form, help counteract these effects by taking your joints through a full range of motion. The downward phase of a squat stretches the muscles in your hips, hamstrings, and calves, while the upward phase strengthens these muscles, promoting overall flexibility and mobility. This improved mobility translates to everyday activities. making it easier to bend down, pick things up, and move with grace and fluidity. By incorporating squats into your fitness regimen, you're not only building a stronger body, but also maintaining your mobility and flexibility, ensuring that you can move with ease and confidence at any age. Squats for enhanced balance and coordination. Balance and coordination. They're essential for everything from walking gracefully in heels to navigating a crowded room without bumping into things. And while we often take these abilities for granted, they tend to decline as we age, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. But here's the good news. Daily squats can help you maintain your balance and coordination, keeping you steady on your feet for years to come. How do squats work their magic? By strengthening the muscles responsible for stability, particularly those in your legs, core, and back. When these muscles are strong and engaged, they work together seamlessly to support your body's center of gravity, improving your balance and coordination. Imagine yourself standing on one leg, like a graceful flamingo. So, whether you're aiming to prevent age-related decline or simply want to move through life with more grace and confidence, daily squats can help you find your footing and stay steady on your path. The benefits of squats for joint health. We often associate exercise with wear and tear on our joints, but when it comes to squats, it's quite the opposite. Performed correctly, squats can actually strengthen your joints, reducing your risk of pain and injury. When you squat, you're not only working your muscles, but also stimulating the production of synovial fluid, a lubricating substance that keeps your joints healthy and mobile. This increased lubrication reduces friction between bones, allowing for smoother, pain-free movement. Moreover, squats help strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, providing crucial support and stability. By incorporating squats into your fitness routine, you're essentially giving your joints a dose of preventative medicine, keeping them strong, flexible, and resilient for years to come. The mood-boosting power of squats. We all know exercise is good for our physical health, but its impact on our mental well-being is equally profound. And squats, with their ability to release endorphins, are like a natural mood booster in disguise. Endorphins, those feel-good chemicals produced by our brains, act as natural painkillers and stress relievers, leaving us feeling happier, more relaxed, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. But the mood-boosting benefits of squats go beyond just endorphins. The sense of accomplishment you feel after conquering a challenging workout, coupled with the physical changes you see in your body, can significantly boost your self-esteem and confidence. Imagine yourself feeling stressed or overwhelmed. You decide to take a break and do a few sets of squats. As you move your body and focus on your breath, you feel the tension melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and empowerment. So the next time you need a mood lift or a stress reliever, skip the sugary snacks and opt for a squat session instead. As we've explored the myriad benefits of squats, from building stronger bones to boosting our mood, it's clear that this simple exercise is much more than just a leg workout. By incorporating daily squats into our routines, we're not only sculpting toned physiques, but also cultivating inner strength, resilience, and a profound sense of self-care. We're embracing a holistic approach to wellness that recognizes the interconnectedness of our bodies and minds. So, let's step into the transformative power of squats, knowing that with each repetition, we're not only building stronger muscles, but also cultivating a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant version of ourselves. It's time to embrace the full potential of this incredible exercise and experience the transformative effects it can have on our lives. Now that you know the incredible benefits of daily squats, let's take it up a notch. Adding variety to your squats can help you avoid plateaus, target different muscles, and keep your workouts exciting. Here are a few powerful squat variations to try out. Sumo squat. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed outward. As you squat down, keep your core engaged and focus on your inner thighs and glutes. This variation is fantastic for hitting those hard-to-reach muscles and building lower body strength. Goblet squat. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest with both hands. As you squat, keep the weight steady and your elbows close to your knees. This squat variation engages your upper body and core more intensely, giving you a full-body workout in one move. Jump squat. Add some explosive power. Start with a regular squat, but as you come up, push through your heels and jump off the ground. Land softly and go right back into the next squat. This high-intensity variation is perfect for building power, speed, and cardiovascular endurance. Bulgarian split squat. Stand in a split stance with one leg extended behind you on a bench or elevated surface. Lower into a squat, focusing on keeping your front knee aligned with your toes. This move is amazing for balance, coordination, and targeting each leg individually. Trying these variations can transform your workout, making each session feel fresh and challenging. Remember, mixing it up is key to seeing continuous improvement. Incorporate one or two of these into your weekly routine and watch how your strength, endurance, and overall fitness reach new heights. Now that we've uncovered the incredible benefits of daily squats, let's talk about how to seamlessly integrate them into your daily routine. The key is to start small and gradually increase the number of squats you do as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key, so even if you start with just a few reps each day, the cumulative effect over time will be significant. One simple strategy is to break up your squats throughout the day. Instead of trying to squeeze in a full workout at once, aim for a few sets of squats here and there, while brushing your teeth, waiting for your coffee to brew, or even during commercial breaks while watching TV. Another helpful tip is to find a squat buddy, a friend, family member, or coworker, who's also looking to incorporate more movement into their day. Remember, the goal is to make squats a sustainable part of your lifestyle, not just a fleeting fitness trend. When it comes to squats, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The number of squats you should do daily depends on your current fitness level, any previous injuries, and your overall health goals. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a certified fitness professional to determine what's right for you. If you're new to squats or exercise in general, start with a manageable number, such as 10 to 15 repetitions, and gradually increase the reps as you gain strength. Focus on proper form over quantity, ensuring that your knees track over your toes, your back stays straight, and your core remains engaged throughout the movement. As you become more comfortable, you can explore variations like sumo squats, goblet squats, or jump squats to challenge your muscles in new ways. Remember, variety is key to keeping your workouts engaging and preventing plateaus. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort during or after your squats, stop and rest. We've journeyed together through the incredible world of squats, uncovering benefits that extend far beyond just toned legs and glutes. We've explored how this one simple exercise, accessible to all, can transform our bodies from the inside out. But the true magic of the squat lies not just in its physical impact, but in its ability to awaken a deeper strength within us. Each time you squat, you're not just building muscle, you're building resilience. You're proving to yourself that you're capable of pushing past perceived limitations and embracing new challenges. You're cultivating a sense of empowerment that radiates outward, impacting every aspect of your life. This is about more than just how our genes fit, it's about feeling our best from within. So, I invite you to embrace the transformative power of daily squats. We've covered a lot in this journey, from the physical strength you build to the mental resilience that comes with each squat. You now know that squats don't just shape your legs and glutes. They boost your mood, support joint health, and keep your metabolism fired up. Start small, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single squat. As you incorporate squats into your daily routine, visualize the incredible changes taking place within you. Feel the strength building in your muscles, the increased vitality coursing through your veins, and the unwavering confidence blooming in your heart. But this journey doesn't stop here. For more health and fitness tips designed specifically for women, be sure to sign up for our Shehealth newsletter. It's packed with motivation, expert advice, and exclusive content to support you every step of the way. Just click the link in the description of this video to join our community. And before you go, there's something even more powerful that you won't want to miss. If you're committed to unlocking the full potential of your body, you'll want to watch our next video. Ignite your body's fat melting power, the ultimate women's guide. This next step dives even deeper, revealing key techniques that perfectly complement the progress you've started with daily squats. You've already seen how small habits can transform your strength and confidence. But if you skip this, you might miss out on some of the most impactful fat-burning secrets tailored just for you. So don't leave your transformation unfinished. Click to watch the next video now, and let's take this journey even further together.